Guys, DJ here, the ADU Pro at our project, can't even talk today, our project in Santa Ana on Fairbrook. And as I say in every video, a lot has happened since our last video. As you can see, all our drywall is done and installed, textured and primered. Now the texture that we use on our wall is a really light orange peel. You can see there. And since then, so it was textured. Today is Tuesday. It was textured on Saturday. Painters came in yesterday and primered all the walls. And today, our flooring crew installed this beautiful flooring throughout the entire interior. So it's in the living room, it's in the bathroom floor, it's in the laundry room, and it's in the bedroom. What this is an 8mm. I'll get you a piece here. Hang on a second. 8mm PVC floor with the vapor barrier already built in. Durable, lifetime warranty through this manufacturer. And this is what we put in all our ADUs. So very durable, easy to maintain. It's pretty much bulletproof, guys. But tomorrow, we're gonna start installing baseboard casing in the 2 interior doors. So we have an interior door for the bathroom, we got 1 interior door for the bedroom, and there is no door for the laundry room. So guys, next video, you're gonna see doors, baseboard, and casing in here, and maybe even a kitchen, because I'm gonna send the client a kitchen rendition here real quick. So any questions about building any process of an ADU, please DM us at the link below, or give us a call at 800-929-9812, and myself or one of our wonderful staff will be more than happy to answer questions you may have. Guys, thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Give us some likes, subscribe to our channel. DJ, the ADU Pro, out.